I don't know if anyone will be interested in seeing this, but I want to do a quick video on this, the famous air conditioned hallway, where it's probably one of the best places to sit down at. Gets a nice cool AC. There's Club Cool right there. This is part of the same building. I guess this whole building is going to be demolished. And I wanted to show it to you, just to document it, I guess. I did a little bit of filming in here before. Oh, but the air conditioning in this part feels so good. They always have plenty of seats and some couches to sit on. Pretty impressive section, I think. But this is totally all supposed to be demolished, this building. I wonder what they're going to do with the timeline right there. A lot of cool information. Of course, they have a lot of different entrance exits. Right here is where they have the light lab. They had a lot for Food and Wine Festival. So hopefully, with them knocking this building down, they're going to have that somewhere else. It's always pretty neat in there. There's the Imagination Pavilion. There's another entrance and exit, and there's bathrooms right there. And then down here, I think is where you go for some of the character meet and greets, I think. I don't go down this part of the building very often, but yeah, I think that's where you come in for the character spot, which is also going to be moved somewhere else when this building gets knocked down. And I hope to do that today, but I might have to come back. I haven't noticed these flowers here before, so I wonder if those are newer. That's cool. I like the architecture in here. Look at that. I'll take a few photos and everything. Document this, because once it's gone forever. That's it. Definitely one of the better places to sit, relax your feet, and get some cool air conditioning here, because out there it is warm. Very, very warm. Okay. Let me just take you right down here. There's the bathrooms, men's and women's, of course, and then there's another entrance and exit. Of course, phones, pay phones, sort of like ones. And then there's Starbucks Fountain View out there. There's the other entrance to Club Cool. And that's where you I do some of the cooking and cleaning in there. Okay. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'm not sure if anyone had interest in this, but it's documentation. Alright, bye.
Bye.